Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, realize and actualize the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Angel worship is for those who lack in the purpose of life. Don't seek authority over others if you can't prevent their deaths. And those of other cultures and those of this need instructed as part of their punishment. A strong government is needed to reduce sinful life. Those of the central four sins should live in the place of those sins if they are not to reform. Nature will define the limits rather than human desires or plans. It is better to be silent than express without knowledge. Try to learn from exemplars of the type of knowledge you seek. The most humanitarian of work is knowledge-giving. Spiritual masters can't save us if we are not trained to live in their saving way. Sometimes different teachers will be right in their differences. Don't limit your sense of possibility to this world or your type of experience of it. Everyone must get some knowledge from authority. I mean, most of our use of language is a prime example of that. A culture of exploitation will inevitably end up exploiting and ending itself. The material existence is thought to be the external and minority energy, while the spiritual is as the internal and majority energy. We can be controllers rather than matter and mind controlling us. But imitation gods, or, things thought to be goddesses, can't really even become gods and goddesses. Civilization and nobility is not all positivity and nicety. One can never replace the lost opportunity for conscious action. We are given in ourselves things to understand God. We can't escape being witnessed. Temples are to show people God. Consult your mind and involve yourself with community. But the spiritual path is beyond that. It's like, yeah, don't make all your rituals and all your spiritual practices in a house of worship, even if you're going 5 times a day. Paths to follow, rather than be there to entertain and fulfill wishes, are what spiritual leaders are to provide. Judge by Scripture. Of course, I mean actual Scripture, but... And we have... Okay. Angry. Okay. Yeah, I guess text 2 of chapter 5 of Canto 4. Krunda surashta putta satur jater jatam tanden vahne satogra rochesham utkritya rudra sahasoteto hasan gambhiranado visasarja tambove. And so we end with the ground, right? And the mode, the angry mode, the Rudra, Shiva, the grasping of the hair and setting it ablaze and throwing it to the ground and pressing of the lips. Or, I guess some people would do that in anger, right? But the divine modes are things that are thought of as crazy, or maybe the human modes, you could say, are thought to be crazy when sometimes that's really what it should be. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. God of light, all attractive. God of sound, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. What seems like an absence, but is all colors. All life and all depriving of life are drawing, or the increasing and decreasing of life, you could say. The secret, the known. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.